Hello friends, I am Dr. D.G. Kulkarni along with my colleague Vaibhav Badgi. Today I am going to explain to you about logical reasoning for entrance test. The PGCET of Karnataka has 4 sections. Section A, Section B, which has proficiency in English. Section B, general knowledge. Section C, test for reasoning and general intelligence. And Section D, quantitative analysis. Section C would have something got to do with puzzles, diagrams, Venn diagrams, analogy, logic, verbal ability, analytical ability, and related aspects. Today we are going to do something about section C. It's just a small part got to do with directions and sense of direction. The aptitude test is of MCQ type. It's for 25 marks and you'll have enough rough space to solve and write your answers. Before we start this, friends, remember that you must read your questions properly. The first time you read it properly because you may not have time to reread it again, because on the average you will get around 72 seconds to solve one question. So if you read the same question twice, that means you are going to lose time in probably solving all the 100 questions. Let's get going to see what are the types of questions, basically in directions. You must first remember this figure. This is the figure of directions. The top of your page would be north, the bottom of your page would be south, the left of your page would be west, and your right side of the page would be east. Please remember this orientation, and also remember that the sun rises from the east and it sets in the west. This is required because you are likely to go wrong of time, pressure, and it can so happen that you may attempt it wrongly. Let's take the first question. Raju, who is facing east, turns 100 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction and then 145 degrees in the clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing? So you know that anti-clockwise direction means it is in the opposite direction. It's like this. And clockwise direction means it is this way. So let's see what the answer is. The options are given and the solution is like this. Remember this figure, and as per the figure you draw. That means Raju is waiting here at 0 degrees. You know the east is 0 degree. When you keep the protractor, this is 0 degrees. He goes anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So he'll go 90 degrees here and 10 degrees here. So anti-clockwise 100 degrees. And again he comes back clockwise 145 degrees. So he reaches here. So which is this direction? It is southeast direction. So the answer is southeast. That is, answer section is A. Let's take another question. After walking 6 kilometers, I turned right and traveled a distance of 2 kilometers. Then turned left and covered a distance of 10 kilometers. In the end, I was moving towards the north. From which direction did I start my journey? So here they are trying to ask us a question of how I have traversed my way. So such questions should be answered taking the reverse order. So you solve it like this. Start from top direction, that is north, because he is now facing north, right? So you go this way, this way, this way. That means he moved 6 kilometers, then he took a right turn 2 kilometers, and he moved 10 kilometers, and he is facing north. That means he says, from which direction did I start my journey? So where did he start his journey? What is this direction? Down here. It is south. So the answer is south. You can cross verify here how it is being given. You can try to cross verify here. Let's go to the next question. From a school, Meenu walks 20 meters towards north. She then turns left and walks 40 meters. She again turns left and walks 20 meters. Further, she moves 20 meters after turning to the right. How far is she from her original position? Okay. So simply put the diagram of north, east, west and south and start drawing it. So the green spot that you see here, she was standing there. She moves 20 on top, 40 meters, 20 down, and again she moves 20 meters. So from her original position, she is 60 meters. So simple. Let's take another question. A watch shows 4:30. If the minute hand points to east, in what direction will the hour hand point? Very simple. What you do is you first draw the watch, make it 4:30. What does he ask you? He says that the minute hand is facing east. So totally you turn the clock so that the minute hand will turn to east. So you see here the minute hand is turned to east. So where is the hour hand pointing? Our hand is pointing between east and this is north. So north or east, it is in between. So it is answer is northeast. Let's take the next question. One evening, two friends Ria and Priya were talking to each other with their backs towards each other, sitting in a park. If Ria's shadow was exactly to the left of her, then which direction was Priya facing? Try to understand this question. Both are sitting back to back, means they are facing opposite directions. Okay. And when is it? It is in the evening. Don't miss this point. See, very, very important. It is in the evening. When it's evening, where is the sun? It is in the west. And where is Ria's shadow falling? Ria's shadow falling to the left hand side, right? That means Ria's shadow fell to her left, that is towards east, as it was evening. So Ria was facing south. As Priya had her back towards Ria, hence Priya was facing north. Simple answer. Let's see the next one. On an election day, Santosh walked from a place 10 km towards south to reach the polling station. Then turned left up to 2 km, then took a right turn and took another 4 km walk. Again he turned right and walked for 12 km and took a 14 km walk by turning to north. And there he could see the polling station at a 12 km distance after taking a right turn. In which direction is the polling station situated? Simple hai. Remember that figure of north, east, south, west and start drawing, start traversing. Okay. So you see, as per how they have given, we are traversing 10 kilometers, then he turns 2 kilometers, he turns 4 kilometers, he turns 12 kilometers, turns 14 kilometers, and when he turns right, he can see the polling station 12 kilometers away. So where is the polling station located? Where is it? It is towards the east. Let's take another question. Two buses start from opposite points on a main road, 150 kilometers apart. The first bus runs 25 kilometers and takes a right turn and then turns for 15 kilometers. It then turns left and runs for another 25 kilometers and takes the direction back to reach the main road. In the meantime, due to a minor breakdown, the other bus has run only 35 kilometers along the main road. What would be the distance between the two buses at this point? That means we have a road of 150 kilometers. One end we have a bus X, another end we have the bus Y. Both start at the same time. But what does bus X do? The bus X does all these things. It moves 25 kilometers. Okay. It turns 15 kilometers, comes again 25 kilometers, and again it goes back to the where? Main road. Correct? That means it is here. What has happened to bus Y? Bus Y has started and only it has done 35 kilometers. Right? So what is the distance between both? The distance between both is, how much has X traveled? 25 plus here 25, 50. How much has Y traveled? 35. So out of 150, if I minus 35 and if I minus this 50, I will get the answer, and that is 150 minus 50 plus 35, that is 65 kilometers. Let's take this question. 15 boys are standing in a row facing opposite direction, alternately from left to right. If the fourth boy from left is facing towards the east, then the fifth boy from the right is facing which direction? So put all your 15 boys together like this. These are numbers. Number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 and 15 are facing towards the west. Number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are facing towards the east, because he has told that the fourth boy is facing towards east. Correct? And they are alternately numbered. So where is the fifth student from the back facing? So who is the fifth student? It is number 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So where is 11 facing? 11 is facing, you can see this arrow here, it is facing towards the west. So the fifth student is facing towards the west.